According to Statista, 81% of the world's population is active on YouTube, which is way better than Facebook at 69%. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com, where I post content related to affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will share the 6 steps for doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. My goal is to publish videos in an easy to understand language, so anyone who watches them understands the content and information that I share easily and clearly. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will share with you a helpful resource. So please stay till the end, take notes if you want, and let's get started. In fact, before sharing the steps, if you do not know what affiliate marketing is and how it works, you can click the link in the I button. I've already published a video on the topic. Alright? Okay. And I've divided this video into 2 segments. In the first segment, I will share a few statistics about YouTube that will give you an idea about the platform's potential. And in the second segment, I will share the steps that you should follow to launch your affiliate marketing business on YouTube. Alright? The first and the most striking statistic about YouTube is that 6.94 lakh hours of videos are streamed every minute. That is, in every 60 seconds, people view 6.94 lakh hours of content. The second statistic is that YouTube is the second most popular platform after Google. With over 14 billion monthly visits, YouTube is one of the internet's heaviest hitters. And thirdly, YouTube's global ad revenues were 28 billion in 2021. I hope these numbers are enough to convince you of the potential of YouTube. Let me ask you a question. If you have to learn something, where do you go? Do you read a blog post or do you watch a video? Pause this video and tell me your answers in the comments box below. Alright? Now let's move to the second segment of this video. In this segment, I will share the steps that you should follow to promote other people's products on YouTube. Okay? The first step for doing affiliate marketing on YouTube is to identify your niche. For those of you who do not know what a niche is, I will say a niche is a segment of the large market. Niche is a small part of the big market. Okay? I usually give the cake analogy to my students when I talk about niches. As per the cake analogy, if cake is the big market, then your niche is the slice of that cake. Got it? For example, if fashion is the big market, then men's watches is the niche. Alright? Every successful online entrepreneur has clarity about his or her niche. Or if I may put it the other way, many affiliate marketers fail because they do not have clarity about their niche. If you are a beginner and have no idea about your niche, I will ask you a few simple questions. Okay? What are you passionate about? What is the one thing that you can do for hours? And what is the one thing which you can never get tired of doing? Your answer to these questions will be a niche. Alright? So that was step 1, niche clarity. The second step is to select the product. You will find hundreds of products on Amazon, JVZoo, CJ, Digistore24 and so on. To illustrate the steps of product selection, I will open my browser and log into the Digistore24 account. Please note that the steps are same on every platform. Alright? Okay, now I will go to Digistore24. And I will log into my account. Okay, now once you log in, you will see the marketplace. In the left hand panel, you will see the categories of products. These categories could be your niche. Okay, for example, I will select category email marketing. Now we got 6 results, and for example, only for demonstration, I will select email marketing arena membership. Please make sure that the product you select should have a lower cancellation rate. Okay, In the case of Perpetual Income 365, the cart conversion rate was 2% and cancellation rate was 11%. So this is the product that we should avoid. We should go for products where the cart conversion rate is greater than the cancellation rate. Okay. So I will select email marketing arena membership. I will click promote now. And the link that you see is my affiliate link. Okay. I will copy this link. So this is how you will select your product. I logged into Digistore 24, clicked on the category and selected a product. This step is the same in every platform. There could be one or two extra steps, but this is the essence of how you will find your product. All right. Now I've copied the link. Okay. We have selected the product that we will promote. Now we will create content containing a brief description, features, benefits and drawbacks of the product. Okay. You can create content in any or many of the following formats. The first method is product review. Here's the thing. When you review a product, focus on the benefits, not the features. Okay. People want to know how the product can help them. So instead of sharing all the cool features of the products, share the benefits those features will have to the users. Okay. An ideal approach to reviewing products is to present them as solutions. Before sharing the product review, share how your life was before using the product and how it is now thanks to the product. Okay. Paint the before after picture in people's minds and provide value. Alright. The second type of video you can publish is a how-to guide. In how-to guides, you could share the steps of how people can achieve their goals in a stepwise manner. I'm going to promote the email marketing tool that I selected. Hence, I will share the steps of how people can achieve their goal. Alright? Please bear in mind that the users are normal people and they only want the steps of achieving their goal. So, do not go into the technical details if not needed and try to share the steps in an easy to understand language. Alright? Now, the third format is checklist. A checklist is a list of items that must be done in order to achieve a goal. For example, if you want to bake a cake, you can create a checklist of the ingredients that you must have to successfully bake a cake. Okay? If you create a checklist video, you can share a PDF towards the end of your video so your audience can maintain the list of items they have completed. Your checklist should contain all the items that people must complete to achieve the ultimate goal. Alright? Now, the fourth type of video you can post is product demonstration. Although affiliate marketing is the process of earning commissions by promoting products owned by other people, you can buy them yourself, use them, and share to your audience how the products look and how they work. A product demonstration will also help people to discover the benefits of the product. Okay? You can purchase the product, use it, and show people how it will provide value and solve problems. Okay? You can also answer the top 3 questions that addresses people's doubts and queries. Alright? Now we come to the fifth type of video that you can post. Case studies. Look, long story short, people want to know if the product you are promoting works, isn't it? So share the results of people who use the products and got results. Okay? If you are promoting a weight loss product, that just came off the top of my head, okay? If you are promoting a weight loss product, you can publish a case study of someone who was overweight before using the product and saw results they desired after using the product. Okay? Case studies help greatly as they shout that people who use the product get results. Alright? People want to know if products work and case studies pretty much clear their doubts. Alright? And always provide value. Always put people's aspirations before yours. Your aim must be to help people solve their problems and provide them with value. Okay? Until now, we have seen the 3 steps of doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now, let's see the 4th step, promotion or marketing. Until you promote your videos, people will not know anything about you. People will not know about the products and services you offer. Promote content that solves people's problems and provides them with value. So before you promote your videos on Facebook or WhatsApp, Make sure that what you have created helps people and solves one specific problem they might be facing. Okay, so create content to help people and solve their problems. All right, now you can promote your content on social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can promote your videos on Facebook posts, stories, direct messages, and so on. You can also join a Facebook group related to your niche and share your videos. By posting in groups, I do not mean blindly posting the link. Write 3 to 4 lines telling people what the video is about and how they will get value from it. Before posting anything anywhere, answer people's question, what is in it for me? Give people a reason to click on your link and watch your video. Okay? The second platform where you can share your content is Instagram. The first approach to sharing content on Instagram is to put the link to your video in the bio section. The second approach is to update an Instagram story with 3-4 lines telling people about the video and then adding the link. You can follow the same approach for WhatsApp. Write 3-4 lines telling people what the content is about and how it will help them and then put the link. Okay? So this was about marketing on social media. You can follow the same steps and same approach for emails. You can send emails to people describing your content and telling what problem your video solves and then add the link. Okay? The third method to promote content is by running ads on Facebook or Google. Running ads will cost you money. So if you think your content is powerful to attract sales, go ahead. Affiliate marketing is a free of cost business is a myth, and there are occasions where you would need to invest money. Alright? So that was about the fourth step. Now the fifth step is traffic generation. You can generate traffic organically on your YouTube channel, or you can run ads on Facebook or Google. Alright? Without traffic generation, you will fail to reach people. Okay? No traffic will lead to no sales. So generate quality traffic. Alright? And the final step to do affiliate marketing on YouTube is to generate sales. Your video and how it helps people will help you to generate sales. Your content must be unique and you should solve people's problems. Please bear in mind that people are not looking for products, they are looking for solutions. So if your video can bridge the gap and paint the picture in people's minds about how the product can make their lives better, they will click your affiliate link and buy. Okay? So let's revise the 6 steps. The first step was finalizing your niche. The second step was product selection. The third step was to create content. The fourth step was to promote or market your video. The fifth step was traffic generation, and the sixth step was to generate sales. No matter what your niche is, if you follow these 6 steps, you can do a good job. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay. Now, since you stayed till the end, and as I promised, I will give you a surprise present. The present is that all of you who stayed till the end are eligible to register for a free training session on mastering affiliate marketing. I've placed the link in the description box below this video. Please click the link and reserve your spots. Additionally, I've placed a PDF containing more than 100 niches in the description box below. The PDF will help you to find and finalize your niche. Okay? So, if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.